USDCHF today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against Swiss franc. So before we do that, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification below the video. You'll find some links. It says join the Telegram channel. Go and join the Telegram. If you want some free signals every now and then. Then check out the brokers that perform right here. Sign up with these brokers if and when you are going to trade with my signals, because I want you to have a separate account for my signals and my signals only. So check out these things, subscribe, like. Coming back to the chart here, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we were down, so we pull back, new low. Weekly doesn't make sense, so let's get back to daily. In weekly we know that we were down. In daily charts, so new low is created, pull back, and then we should go up. Okay, so USDCHF normally people don't trade. I also don't trade USDCHF until unless I don't have anything else to trade. Okay, so we have too many pairs to trade, trust me. Okay, USDCHF not many people trade, but I think it should go up. Okay, because overall we are expecting the dollar to go up in the times to come, and that time could come in 2 days, 5 days, 10 days, I don't know. Okay, but we're expecting the dollar to go up, so in that case USDCHF should also go up. But let's come back to 4 hour to see what should be our entry here. So our entry should be very clear right here. Okay, so we had this long, this was the uptrend, then pull back, then zigzag. This was the consolidation, the sideways ranging market. Okay, then we had a breakout towards the upside. If I would be you, I think I should enter long here and take my profits right here. Okay, so USDCHF enter long, take it 20 pips, walk away. I think it will, the right now the price is 8180. I'm expecting it to go to 8200 before the pullback happens. Okay, so because these candles or all these sideways market candles are eaten by the breakout blue candles. So if you enter here, take your profit here and then get out. So look for longs because we are above the EMA. The candle has closed above the EMA, and more likely US dollar will go up in the coming days. So look for longs, and don't look for massive entries. Only look for 15-20 pips here, and then wait for the pullback and see what happens. So as I said, that we have too many pairs to trade with. You can trade Euro USD, GBP USD. I don't even need to touch this USDCHF because these are two strong currencies, as in Swiss franc, where you have all the black money in Switzerland. So it's a very strong currency, Swiss franc, and dollar is also at a strong currency. So there's not much movement happening in between these two currencies. Okay, so USDCHF look for 20 pips as per the setup. I can show you. Enter here, 20 pips, walk away, and then thank me later. Subscribe, like, join Telegram, and check out, sign up with the brokers. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, don't make me talk so much.